Well, I'm here in the Redwoods and I've experienced two of the coolest things in the Redwoods. Number one, I saw some elk and they were fighting with their little antlers. Uh-oh, you guys stuck? Nah, they're just playing around. And number two, here is a beautiful redwood. Now that is a big old tree. 286 feet, 1,500 years old of straight up magnificence. And it's crazy that over 100 years ago, people were cutting down these trees with hand saws. There's one guy over there and the other guy on the other side, and they're cutting down these monstrous trees. Look at all these dudes. That guy looks freaking pooped. He looks exhausted. He's like, all right, when's lunchtime? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Just the detail in that bark. That thing could take on the Hulk. Okay, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but dinosaurs were eating redwoods back in the day. Like, I couldn't believe it either, but it's over there at the visitor center and it says so I believe it. And check out this big old redwood. So this sucker dates all the way back to when the Vikings discovered North America. Like the freaking Vikings. Renaissance, that's pretty cool. Cortez conquered Aztecs, pretty cool. Pilgrims, Boston Tea Party, and that's like way out here. And then there's us, right here, right in the bark. 2008, this sucker decided to keel over. Well, you look great. You look great for your age. You don't look a day over 500. Gracious, what awesome things have you seen? The freaking Vikings, really? The Vikings? Goodness, that would be awesome.